growing your own fruits and vegetables promote better health, whether you realize it or not. Take a walk with me. Okay, and we have some spinach right here. This is the longevity spinach. We have some sweet potato right here. Okay, so basically, a lot of the stuff that's being grown in gardens all around the United States, all around the world, some people are growing things so they can be healthier. Some people are growing things so, that they can save money on their groceries. Some people are growing so they can sell it. There's many different reasons why people grow fruits and vegetables. Okay? At the end of the day, I will tell you something. If you grow a lot of fruits and vegetables and you eat what you are actually growing majority of the time, you're definitely going to be healthier, no doubt about it. Okay? Because look at the variety of fruits and vegetables that most people are growing. Okay? Whether it's herbs for cooking, that motivates you to eat healthier, even if that wasn't your plan in the first place, right? Let's take a walk over here. Okay, so like I said, people are growing for many different reasons, okay? I'm growing more for the healthier aspect of eating the fruits and vegetables that I grow, so they won't go to waste. Now, as I'm filling my stomach with all these delicious fruits and vegetables, then there's not that much room for anything else. So that promotes health and well-being anyway, right? Because who wants to take a tree like this, which is a blackberry tree, have all those blackberries and not eat them? Who wants to grow all of these sweet potatoes when they come out and not cook them? Who wants to have papayas, plums, pears, any fruit that you have and not use it, right? So the more you grow, the more you're going to eat, the more your stomach's going to get full. And whether you're on that journey of health or not, you'll be pushed to that journey of health, regardless. So that's just a couple of straight up true facts, okay? So even if you're not growing this for a healthier you, and you're growing it to lower your grocery bill because things are getting more expensive, okay, it's still going to promote better health, because there's nothing more rewarding than to grow and eat the fruits that you grow. Nothing more rewarding. So that's just basically a couple of straight facts that we have as far as food growth. This is a beautiful mango tree. Now, I didn't used to eat mangoes that much until I realized how many different varieties of mangoes there was. Tasted them, and all of a sudden I got very interested in mangoes. The same thing with these miracle fruit berries right here, right? I didn't eat many lemons, but after eating a miracle fruit, I eat a lot of lemons now, which are healthy anyway, right? You can drink some lemon water, or put some lemon in your lemon water, right? Before you do that, eat one of those miracle berries right there. That's a tasty lemon water right there. And all you added was a healthy lemon. So this is so many different reasons for growing your own foods. Okay? Just a motivator of healthiness, like I said, whether you want it to be or not. Okay? So that's just a quick little message that I wanted to come out and share with y'all. Growing your own food will promote better health, whether you realize it or not. Have a nice day. Be blessed. Thank you. Goodbye.